amazing trip. I love South Korea so much. The best 2 weeks of my life. I do not want to go home. Our flight is at 11:30. Only one more hour. I am so tired. But I am also sad. I do not want this trip to end. Look at this one! Your face is so funny here. Delete that one immediately. I look terrible. I can't wait for London. The sights, the food. Me too. It's gonna be unforgettable. Totally. Oh, I hope the flight's on time. Mia, look. Look at the board. What does that say? What? What? What is wrong? Canceled? Our flight is canceled? No. This cannot be happening. This is a mistake. What do we do now? We need to ask someone. Excuse me. Our flight to London is canceled. What happened? I am very sorry. Bad weather in London. The flight cannot go tonight. When is the next flight? Can we go tomorrow? The next flight is tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Tomorrow morning? Where do we sleep tonight? I am sorry, we do not have hotel rooms available tonight. Here are your new boarding passes. The flight leaves at 8 a.m. Thank you, but we have nowhere to go tonight. You can stay in the terminal. I am really sorry. So we are stuck here. All night, at the airport. All night, no hotel, no bed, just this airport. This is terrible. I just want to sleep in a real bed. Me too, but we have no choice. We stay here. The airport is so different at night. So quiet, so empty. It feels like a completely different place. Look, a convenience store. It is still open. I am so hungry. Let us get something to eat. I want this spicy ramen. My last Korean ramen. I choose the cheese flavor. It is my favorite.
Please wait 3 minutes. Then it is ready.
Thank you. 3 minutes. I can wait. This ramen is so good. Maybe the best ramen I ever had. Food always tastes better when you are very tired. You have a noodle on your chin. So funny. Stop laughing. I am eating. This is serious. Look at that airplane. It is leaving, going somewhere. I wonder where it is going. Maybe Tokyo? Maybe Paris? Wow, it is so beautiful at night. The lights in the dark sky. I could watch this forever. Planes taking off at night. It is like we have the whole airport to ourselves. Just 2 girls and 1 giant empty airport. My phone was dying. Thank goodness for charging stations. Let me look at our trip photos. I want to see them all. Yes, please. I'm excited to see them. Look at us in hanbok. You looked like a real Korean princess. And you looked like a queen. We were so beautiful. Korean barbecue. I miss it already. The meat was so good. We ate so much that night. I could not even walk. I always carry a blanket. You never know. You are so smart. I am lucky to have you.
Flight canceled? You girls are staying here tonight?
Yes, our flight was canceled. We have to wait until morning.
Here. Can you eat something? Oh, thank you so much.
You are so kind. This means a lot to us.
Good night, girls. Everything will be okay.
People are so kind. Even strangers, even at 1 a.m. That is what I love about traveling. You meet kind people. It is so quiet now, like the whole world is sleeping. Just us, awake in this big empty airport. Sophia, can I tell you something? Of course, you can tell me anything. I am scared of going home, of normal life again. Why? What do you mean? When I travel, I feel free. I feel like myself. But at home, I feel lost, like I am just waiting. I understand. I feel the same way sometimes. Really? You always look so confident and happy. I am not always happy. Sometimes I am scared too. I am scared of getting older, of time going too fast. Do you think we will always be friends when we are old? Always, I promise, even when we are 80 years old. I think growing up is hard. Nobody tells you that. Yes, nobody tells you how confusing everything becomes. It is 3 a.m., the quietest hour. Everything feels different at 3 a.m., more honest. Maybe growing up means learning how to feel lost sometimes. That is the most beautiful thing you ever said. What? What you just said. I never want to forget it. Remember when you fell in the market in Seoul? I fell in front of 50 people. Do not remind me. I am so tired, but I do not want to stop talking. Me too. These conversations only happen at night.
Sleep, Mia. I will stay awake. I will watch the sunrise for us. This night was supposed to be terrible, but it is beautiful. Mia, wake up! You have to see this.
What? What time is it?
Oh. Sophia! Look at this! This is so beautiful!
This is the most beautiful sunrise I have ever seen.
Yeah.
We would never have seen this if our flight was not canceled.
Thank you, Sophia, for staying awake with me, for everything.
Thank you for being my best friend. Forever.
One photo. This moment. Our airport night.
The best photo of the whole trip.
The airport is waking up, just like us.
Morning. We survived the whole night.
Coffee.
Finally! I need this so much!
To our airport night. The best, worst night ever.
Look, our new flight. Gate 38. On time!
On time! Thank goodness! Let us go!
I am so tired, but I feel so peaceful.
This was the strangest and most beautiful night.
There is our plane. This time for real. This time we actually fly home.
Look at our sunrise photo. We look so tired, but so happy.
This photo is worth more than any photo from the trip. They are calling our flight. Time to go home.
Wait, one more second. I want to remember this.
Goodbye, Incheon Airport. Thank you for this night.
Next time our flight gets canceled, I hope I am with you.
Next time, I will bring a bigger blanket.
Finally, a real seat, not an airport floor.
I will sleep the entire flight home.
Goodbye, South Korea. Goodbye, our airport. Sleep well, my best friend. Thank you for this night.
Some nights change your life. This was one of those nights.